If you've ever dreamed of being a YouTube star, you're in the right place. Let's dive into starting your own channel in 2024. Step 1. Find your niche. What are you passionate about? Whether it's gaming, cooking, or tech reviews, pick something you love. Authenticity is key. Step 2. Plan your content. Consistency is crucial, so create a content calendar. Outline your video ideas and think about what your audience wants to see. Step 3. Set up your channel. Choose a catchy name and create a professional-looking banner and profile pic. Fill out your channel description with relevant keywords. Step 4. Invest in basic equipment. A good camera, mic, and lighting can make a big difference. Clear audio and good lighting are more important than the latest camera. Step 5. Learn basic editing. Editing transforms your videos. Try beginner-friendly software like iMovie or DaVinci Resolve. Practice makes perfect. Step 6. Publish and promote. Upload with a catchy title and relevant tags. Share on social media and engage with your viewers. And that's it. 6 steps to start your YouTube journey. Stay passionate, be consistent, and have fun. Catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.